Alright, let's do one with Python now because I'm more comfortable with Python. Let's go down the list. Let's go ahead and do this one. I just finished this question with SQL and I struggled. Whoa. How come this already gave me code in here? I didn't even type this out. That's interesting. I don't think it was supposed to do that. This is literally the answer. Alright, a freebie. Then let's try something else. Find matching hosts and guess that they are both of the same gender and nationality. Top business with most reviews. Let's do that. As always, we quickly scan our table or tables. They just gave us one. These are the headers. These are the data types. So float is essentially a mix, or float, integer is a whole number. Float can be decimals. These are integers. Okay, and the rest are objects. That's fine. Okay, so this is what the table looks like. And now let's go to the question to figure out of the table what are relevant information we need. Find the top 5 businesses with most reviews. Assume that each row has a unique business ID such that the total review for each business is listed on each row. Output the business name along with the total number of reviews and order your results by the total reviews in descending order. So it's saying that we need to assume that these business IDs are unique and one ID is associated with one review. Okay, that's fine. So that means we just need business name, review column, review count. Okay, so business name and review count. Then we will do it in a descending order and just filter to the top 5. Okay. Let's do it. Oh, did not mean to go back. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and filter, or not filter. Let's go ahead and put it in descending order. Then we'll filter to the top 5. That might be the most efficient way. So Yelp business. And then I forgot the sort pandas. Sort value. You can see I had already researched this earlier. Okay, so it is sort underscore values. Dot sort values. And we need to sort on the review count. And then we will say ascending equals false. Not sure if I spelled that right. Ascending, D-I-N-G. Okay, there we go. Business name, neighborhood, a bunch of noise, ascending. Good. Okay, it is going from largest to smallest. Perfect. Now we need to say let's do Yelp equals trying to keep these names short. Perfect. From Yelp, we need to say relevant. Relevant equals Yelp. We're gonna need some kind of a I forgot the structure, but something along the lines of I want all columns that are not, because we're only keeping 2 columns that is in. I probably do not have this correct. We need this column, comma, review count. And then we'll filter to top 5 in a little bit. I think these need quotations. Column, column. This little tilde means negating the argument that follows. So the argument is saying if it is business ID and review count. To add this is to say that is not what is declared here. So if that makes sense. This basically helps with the indexing. So this row I'm just saying, this is actually inefficient, because this would be saying everything that is not these. So you know what, let's just be specific, because we only need to keep 2 columns. So instead of saying throw out and then list out however many headers, we'll just go ahead and be explicit and say just keep only these 2 explicit columns. I'm gonna check my syntax. Sort values by column. Okay, don't have my brackets right. Actually, I only need to sort out 1. So we'll do it this way. This will be my template. So it is data frame dot. Let's just start over. Yelp relevant is equal to Yelp table sort values. Oh wait, no, I already started. Hold on. I need to be looking for the syntax that is saying keep columns, pandas. How to keep certain columns. There we go, with examples. Not this one. Specify this one. Perfect. This will be the most direct route. Yelp equals business ID and business ID and review count. So it's saying find the top 5 businesses with the most reviews. I might need business names as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and just keep this in here for now. That's a business name and review count. Find the top 5 businesses with the most reviews. Assume that each row has a unique blah 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 blah. Output the business name. Okay, so we don't need the ID. Output the business name with the total number of reviews and order your results by the total reviews. Okay, so we already did the sorting from in descending order. Now we're just saying I want to look at these 2 columns. So let's see if this will run. Name, review count. And they called it business name. Let's see their expected output. They have name and review count. Oh, that's pretty simple. Good deal, good deal. And let's see if it accepts. Oh no. Match rows are marked green. Missing or incorrect are marked red. Official solution, your solution. Oh no. Oh dear. Trying to see if there are duplicates in mine. It said assume each one is unique. Well, that's unfortunate. I should have checked a little closer. I just assumed the top 5 were good and that the rest were good. Let's see, after Kasab. That's annoying. Doesn't even show me anything afterwards. I don't see duplicates. Not quite sure where I went wrong here. That's unfortunate. Well, so for a solution to be accepted, your output should match the expected expectation. Thank you, thank you. Let's look at others, how they did it. They ranked. Oh, if it's 5 or over. They're ranking on review counts. So is it because I didn't exclude? I did not. That might be where the problem is. Huh. That's unfortunate. I wish I read a little closer. And then they... Okay, so basically from here on... Oh, stop. From here on I got, but I didn't rank it to where... I didn't filter to 5 and above. Okay, that's good to know. Find the... Oh! It did say find the top 5 businesses. Yeah. Okay, the next... Yeah, the next step I should have just output the top 5. And that's why my top 5 are green, but the rest are not green. So it's not that rank, well, it's ranking based on the descending sorting, but it only wanted to know the top 5. It didn't care for the rest of the runner-ups. Oh, well, that's unfortunate. Okay, am I allowed to retry? Oh, you know, I have an easier way. Technically, you could do Yelp relevant and just do, just do head 5. This is the easiest way. Run code. There we go. This would have been accepted. Okay. I'm glad I didn't read the instructions carefully.